Alright guys, we had a 2017 Mazda 2 come in for an install today. So we've just chucked in a 10.2 inch screen with this one, so the upgrade. So these ones usually come with just a small 7-inch screen. This one didn't have any CarPlay, Android Auto, nothing like that. Now this one does come with wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. This car did also have the factory reverse camera as well, which is all working with this system. So as you can see, fits pretty nice to the dash. Just looks like a massive upgrade. Looks very factory. This unit does also come with its own iDrive kit as well. So this one comes with the iDrive, which all completely works. So you got your home button, takes you to the home page. You just focus the camera. You got your main volume down the bottom there. So all completely just works like normal. You got your mute as well by pressing down that button. Music takes you into the built-in music option. Just turn that down there. Built-in nav, so that takes you to your, so you can actually set this to whatever you like here. What else do we have? We've got the favorites, which actually dims the screen. You got the phone button, takes you into the built-in Bluetooth. And just going back home to this page. So as you can tell, it does have the Mazda theme. So it looks like the Mazda factory units, but obviously with the Android features. So it comes with iGo navigation for all your offline navigation. T-Link 5, which is our built-in CarPlay Android Auto. So just by going into there, you got access to all your maps, your phone calls, music, all that sort of fun stuff. Let's go back home again. Steering wheel control is fully functional. Factory camera. It's got your main AM FM radio just from the homepage here as well. So just tap along this top bar to set it all. Tap and hold to preset your stations. Just like that, tap and hold to preset. You got your unit equalizer. All your different surround sounds, your bass modes, bass boosts, your different zones, bass filter for your front and rear speakers as well. From here, you got your main Android settings that you can get into as well. Going back home, this is your application page. You got the system settings through this section as well. Maintenance information. Android Play Store, so Google Play Store, so you can download whatever you want straight to the system as well. Google Maps, phone link. Car settings. So all of the factory settings that these ones have that you can play around with, depending on the model of Mazda 2 that you have. All the factory options will be inside car settings as well. For fuel economy, driving display. And if you can add the factory fitted Bose system, then you can activate it all through here as well. Swipe down from the top of the unit, just like any Android device. You got your restart. Give the unit a restart, it's going to boot back up. Got your main Wi-Fi, data, equalizer, quick access, screensavers, main system settings. Yeah, so just from here, I've now set navigation to go straight into our CarPlay. So by pressing the Navi button on your iDrive, that takes you straight to your CarPlay. Using the iDrive, everything working. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Any questions or whatever, just let us know. More than happy to help.